I wanna rape you. You're kinda hot, you know. Yeah, I know that, big boy. Oh, yes, big boy. Yes, you slob on that. Ooh. Alright, Orlando. I'm ready for it. Well, what the fuck are you waiting for? Hop on it, big bitch. Okay. Oh. Oh. Fuck it. Fuck it, good Orlando. Fuck my Clussy. Fuck it. Oh, yes, big boy. Oh. Oh. I'm about to come, Bunnycock. Do it, Orlando. Come with my fucking white pussy. My Clussy. Do it, you fucking bitch. Oh, yeah, you like that when I call you a bitch. Spank me. Spank me, Orlando. Alright, I'm about to come. 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Wow. That was fucking amazing, Orlando. How did you do that? Simple. I used my Orgastra blasters. Ooh, yes, big boy. When should we do this again, Orlando? Tomorrow night, around 6:09. Okay, I'll be there.